Struggling to find the Underline button in Google Slides? Learn how to underline text in 10 seconds flat. I know that feeling. You have a title that needs to stand out, or maybe you are putting together a report and every single word needs to be just right. You know the formatting option has to be there somewhere, but you are scanning the toolbar and it is just not jumping out at you. It is a tiny little thing, and when you're in the middle of working, hunting for it can be incredibly frustrating. Here is what we are going to do. I will show you exactly where to click and how to select text so you never waste time hunting for it again. By the time we are done, you will be able to underline any word, phrase, or heading in just a couple of seconds. It is going to feel automatic. So let us get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Slides file. It doesn't matter if you are starting from scratch or if you are working on a presentation that is almost finished. Just open the slide that has the text you want to work with. I have found that people often get tripped up because they try to underline text on a slide that is not actually selected, so make sure you have clicked on the correct slide thumbnail on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you see it in the main window, you are in the right place. Now, here is the most important part. Highlight the text you want to underline, and I really want to emphasize this part. A lot of people click on the text box, which selects the entire box, but that is not quite what we need. To underline only a specific word or phrase, you need to click and drag your mouse directly over just those letters. If you want to underline an entire heading, double-click on the word to get started, then drag to cover the rest. But if you simply click on the text box itself, the underline button will be grayed out, which makes you think it is broken. It is not broken. It just needs you to tell it exactly which letters to work on. So take a second, click in the text, and drag across the exact words you want to format. And here is a tip I have picked up from making a lot of these tutorials. If you are working with a single word, you can just double-click on it. Google Slides will automatically select just that word, which saves you from having to be super precise with your mouse. So now that you have got your text highlighted, it is time for the fun part. Look up at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You will see a bunch of formatting options like bold, italic, and there it is, the letter U. That is your underline button. It is usually right in the middle of that toolbar, sitting between the bold B and the strike-through S. Go ahead and click that U icon. The moment you click it, you should see a line appear under the text you selected. That is it. That is the entire trick. But since we are being thorough, let us take 1 second to verify that it actually worked. Look at your highlighted text. If you see a solid line running underneath the letters, you are golden. Sometimes if you click the button and nothing seems to happen, it is because the text box itself was selected instead of the actual words. Just click away from the text to deselect everything, then try highlighting those specific words again. It will work. And that is really all there is to it. You have successfully underlined your text. It is one of those tiny skills that makes a big difference when you are trying to make your slides look polished and professional. So now, whenever you need to add emphasis, draw attention to a key term, or format a title the way you want, you know exactly what to do. Open your file, highlight the text, and hit that U button. You will have it done in seconds. Thanks for hanging out with me. Go make your presentations look great.